it's Areebz Studio here, and now we have opened the Scratch 2 offline editor. So basically, Scratch is just a programming language which beginners can use. So there are various parts of Scratch, including tabs and blocks, which I am going to show you in this video. So in the uppermost corner, you can see the web page link. So if you click on this button, it will take you to the Scratch web page, and this is the file option in which you can open a new project, open a project from your computer, save it, and save it as or record your project video with up to 60 seconds, or you can share it to the website. You can check for updates and quit Scratch. In the editing tab, you can use small stage layout, which will reduce the stage size, or you can turn on the turbo mode. So this is the turbo mode. Here are this is the tips option where you can find tips about projects. In this option, if you click it, you will know more about Scratch. You will know about its privacy policies and all. So what is this? Where this is the Scratch cat. It's a character, and characters in Scratch are called as sprites. So this area, which you can see here, is called the stage. This white background and this cat in it. This is called the stage. This is the green flag which you can use to start your project, and you can use this button to stop the project. If you click on this button, it will enlarge the screen size of your stage, like this. If you click this, it will go back to the normal size. This is the duplicate button in the center top center of the screen. This is the delete button. This is grow button, which will grow your sprite, and this is the shrink button. It will shrink your sprite. Let me show you. This will grow your sprite like this, and if you click this button, it will shrink your sprite. This is help. You can block help or you can start help. So let's go to these tabs. So this is the script tab, which holds all the blocks, and these blocks are sets of commands like this. Move 10 steps. Basically, if you move one step, it moves one pixel. So this can move. You can use this to turn, and we'll see into these blocks in later videos. I'll explain them in detail. Let's just move on to our Scratch components. So this is the costumes tab. Here you can edit your costumes or sprites like this. This is the first costume, and this is the second costume. You can make new costumes from the library, or you can upload a file, or you can even take a picture. So this is the sounds tab. Here you can create sounds, choose it from the library, record it from the microphone, or upload a file. Here you can make your effects, or you can adjust the microphone volume, and we'll look into this later. This is the script area. This shows the X position and this shows the Y position of the character. This shows the current character. And this is your backdrop area. Here you can select your stage backdrop. You can choose it from the library. You can paint it, you can upload it, or you can even take a picture. This is your sprite area. Here you can paint a new sprite, you can choose a new sprite, you can upload a sprite file, or you can even take a picture. Here, if you click on this eye, you will get all the info about the sprite. So this is it for this video. In the next video, we are going to look into detail about these blocks.